9.6.
9.6 we'll take, but let us begin this, and then, or if you wish, we can take, no problem. 1 minute, let me open this. Yeah, this is the question. Let us discuss this first question, and then I'll come to that question. For each of the, then I will stop sharing. For each of the following differential equations given below, indicate its order and degree. So students, order, the rule is highest order derivative present in the differential equation. That order is called as order of the differential equation, and degree is called as, degree is given by the power, the exponent of that highest order derivative. But thing is, it should be a polynomial form. First question, tell me what is the order of this differential equation? Its order is 2, because you can see d2y upon dx square is present, right students? And it will, its order is 2. And how much is the degree in first part? First question, first part, degree is 1, because d2y upon dx square whole power is not given, means whole power is 1, so degree is 1. Second part, order 1, because dy upon dx first order it is, and degree is 3. Third part, how much is the order? Order is 4. And how much is degree? Not defined, because this sign of d3y upon dx cube is not allowed. This is not a polynomial form. That is why degree of third part is not defined. जबकि order 4 है, ठीक है? So this was I'm quite similar at work as first exercise it was. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is the work which we have done in exercise 2, in which some xy function is given, whether x implicit or explicit, and some differential equation is given. We have to check whether these equations are satisfying the given differential equation or not. So from this differential, this also was very easy. Second exercise में हम लोगों ने ये work किया था. We have to find dy upon dx from here. We have to find d2y upon dx square from here and substitute in the differential equation. If differential equation gets satisfied, then it means 0 it comes. Then it means that it is a this left side equation is a solution of this differential equation. So I request you all to complete these 2 questions. First question फटाफट अभी लिख दीजिए. Second question also you can complete yourself. Now let us come to the next task. Yes, somebody was asking 17th question. Anyone? So what was that 17th question? Students, will someone read 17th question? Students? No issue. Later on we'll take. Come to exercise only, miscellaneous exercise. Question number first and second we discussed. Please complete like that. Third question पे बात करते हैं. Somebody, Manu Pratap, can you read question number 3? Manu. Manu Pratap, Mohit Sharma, or Monisha Ghosh? Any one of these 3? Students of 12th B, are you listening? Active? No? No response? Nutan. Nutan, please read Nutan. Okay, Pratham also has raised hand. Nutan. Okay. 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 So I have to form the differential equation for this circle. Yes? 2y square. Okay. So I have to form the differential equation for this circle. So the rule is very, very clear. And can someone tell me what is the rule of solving it, finding the differential equation of it? Can someone tell from A section? Akriti, can you tell? Akriti, can you tell? If you don't answer, I will understand that you are not there listening me. Akriti, will you tell? Chidesh can tell. Yes, tell me the rule.
One constant is there, so single differentiation.
Okay, one time I have to differentiate. And one more thing was there, significant thing. Kya? In the last answer, in the last final answer, what should not be appearing?
Constant.
Constant, arbitrary constant should not be there. So these two things are important. That is differentiate. If I differentiate with respect to x, it will give me twice x minus a plus 4y dy upon dx equals to 0. And suggest me someone after that, what should I do? Then dy upon dx equals to 2 से divide करा रहा हूँ, x minus a plus 2y y dash equals to 0. This is the differential equation, but it contains a. Students, how to eliminate a? Can you tell? Students, how to eliminate a? By solving this equation and this equation, right? Solving means eliminating a. So I feel a value, let us obtain from here and substitute in 1. Simple. So substituting this in 1, it will give you x minus plus 2y square equal to a square. A is x plus 2y y dash. Okay. And this, if you simplify, this is going to be your answer. Should I open the whole square? Better. I'll open the whole square. This gets cancelled and remaining will be your answer. So 2y square, yes, x square minus 2y square plus 4x y dash equals to 0. So check the answer, students. And is this right? 6 lag raha hai ye. Is this right, students? I hope it must be right. Let us move towards the next question, question number 4th. Bharat Kumar, can you read the next 4th question? Bharat, 4th question, please read. And check, I have written correct. Is the general solution of the equation? Equals to y into dy. Check, I have written. Check what I have written on board is right. Yes, so they are asking here that to prove that this equation x minus y whole square equals to c x square plus y square to whole square is the solution of this differential equation. So suggest me how to do.
Sir, you have written wrong.
What? I have written wrong. What? What wrong?
Sir, in first line there will be x square minus y square.
Oh, who read the last question? Bharat, where are you, Bharat? I asked you, I have written correct or not? Is this right now? Please check, everyone. Is this right?
Yes, sir, now correct.
Okay. So my special thanks to those people who have corrected this mistake. Otherwise, it would have become wrong. So all the students are requested to be utmost vigilant. So they are asking that check this is a solution of this differential equation or not. We have two methods. Method number one, that you differentiate, one arbitrary constant is there. You eliminate C and get this differential equation. So this is a one method of proving that this is a solution of this differential equation. Second method is that you solve this differential equation and this answer you should get, right? So जैसे चाहे आप कर सकते हैं, any one method can be taken. So randomly मैं कुछ भी, suppose मैं इसको solve करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. So if I solve, I should find out dy upon dx. dy upon dx will be how much? Dy dx that side. So x cube minus 3xy square whole upon y cube minus 3x square y. Students, can someone suggest me that out of three methods, which method is most suitable here? Homogeneous differential equation. See, we have studied three methods: variable separation, homogeneous differential equation, and linear differential equation. इनका इसी ऑर्डर में यूज करना है. सबसे this is easiest, but not possible always. So first of all, you try to separate the variables. You can see that x and y are so tightly packed together that you cannot detach them completely. So variable separation will not be possible. It is homogeneous. Homogeneous can be done. Why? Because degree of each term of numerator and denominator is same. So it is HDE, homogeneous differential equation. So homogeneous differential equation को solve करने के लिए क्या तरीका था? प्रणय झा, प्रणय, homogeneous differential equation को solve करने का एक तरीका है. What is that? Pranay Jha, are you listening me? No response from Pranay Jha. It is assumed that he is not there. Rahul Salvi or Rahul Singh?
Sir, I'm here.
Pranay, can you tell me? Are you listening? Pranay, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि homogeneous differential equation को solve करने का एक तरीका होता है. Do you remember कि क्या तरीका है? हम एक substitution करते हैं. क्या substitution करते हैं? Anyone else in A section? Nisha. The method is y equals to vx we put. So substituting y equals to vx and what? And what? V equals to v plus x dv upon dx. These two substitutions are made. I request, as usual, that all the students please keep solving with me. When you apply this method 2-3 times also, then it will become freezed in your mind permanently for the whole life. So, but at least 2, 3, 4, 5 times you have to solve, my dears. So please solve. Those who are forgetting, I have a doubt that they may not be solving or writing in the notebook. Please solve with me only. Let us substitute, and then dy upon dx will be removed, and in place of this v plus x dv upon dx will come, and in the right hand side x as it is x cube minus 3x, and in place of y vx will come. So v square x square whole upon v cube x cube minus 3x square vx. Simplify. I think x cube common, x into x square is x cube common and deleted throughout. This will become v plus x dv upon dx equals to 1 minus 3v square whole upon v cube minus 3v. V cube minus 3v. Right. Let us shift this v on the right. It will give me x dv upon dx equals to 1 minus 3v square upon v cube minus 3v minus v. LCM. And here 3v square get cancelled. Now you separate the variables. Now you can separate the variables. So if I separate the variables, this will come this side. V cube minus 3v whole upon 1 minus v raised to power 4 dv is equal to dx upon x. Right. Integrate both the sides. Your suggestion, please, students, how to integrate? Can someone suggest me that how to integrate? Anyone from B section? Saurav, Meena? Saurav? Or anyone else? Can someone suggest me how to integrate this? Yes, Khush. क्या करूं मैं बताइए? 1 minus सिर्फ एक ही बोला तो बोल सकते, दो टर्म है. Anchal Sharma, can you tell that how to integrate it? Anchal Sharma, can you tell? Anchal, Akriti, Aman, Anjali.
Sir, two terms बना लेंगे.
Yes. Separating the equation. Yes. So let us make two terms separate. Is you can create the derivative of denominator and numerator. Its derivative is minus 4v cube. So minus 1 by 4 out and minus 4 in. And for this, what is the way? Audible. Yes. Hello. Am I audible? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Now, let us move towards the next step. This will become minus 1 by 4 log. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिएगा इस क्वेश्चन में. This is lengthy only. Log of denominator 1 minus v to power 4 minus 3 and integral I1 इसको लिख लेता हूं मैं अलग से इंटीग्रेट करके फिर से यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूं log x plus c. I1 is integral v dv upon 1 minus v raised to power 4. Let 1 minus v to power 4 equal नहीं, let v square equal to t. So 2v dv equal to dt. So v dv equal to dt upon 2. So I will become integral dt upon 2 whole upon 1 minus t square, which will become 1 upon 2 log, क्या होता है, a square 1 upon a square minus x square is a plus x upon a minus x, 1 plus t upon 1 minus t, है ना. So this equation will become minus 1 by 4 log 1 minus v was, चलो बाद में पुट करेंगे, v to power 4 minus 3, and this will become 1 by 2 log 1 plus t was how much, v square upon 1 minus v square equal to log, and when everything was in log, let us see, add constant also in terms of log c. So plus log x plus log c, so this will become log cx. Now let us put v as y upon x. Let us simplify, putting v equal to y upon x. So this is going to be minus 1 by 4 log 1 minus y to power 4 upon x to power 4 minus 3 by 2 log 1 plus y square upon x square whole upon 1 minus y square upon x square equal to log cx. So this is going to be log x to power 4 minus y to power 4 whole upon x to power 4 whole raised to power minus 1 by 4. This minus 1 by 4 I have taken in exponent, plus log x square plus y square whole upon x square minus y square whole raised to power minus 3 by 2 equal to log cx. So though these multipliers I have taken in exponent, one term more I can give, this will become log, minus power will invert the term, and x to power 4 whole to power 1 upon 4 will be x upon x to power 4 minus y to power 4 whole to power 1 by 4 plus log माइनस को मैं इन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर होल अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर होल टू पावर 3/2 इक्वल टू log cx. So log a plus log b is log ab. This is going to be log x. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज चेक कर लीजिएगा मल्टीप्लायर्स, मैंने कोई गलती तो नहीं की है ना. This will become like this. Now removing the log from both the sides, this will give me x, and how to solve it, students?
सब 1/4 होगा
है क्या चीज?
Sir, an integration of I1 1/4 log 1 plus t upon 1 minus t will come.
1/2 होता है ना.
Yes. कहाँ पर?
Sir, an integration of I1
Integration of I1.
1/4 will come.
Okay, I'm sorry. 1/4 will come because 1/2 है और ये 1/2 पहले से था, तो 1/4 will come. Oh, sorry. 3/4 ये हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Yes. 3/4. This also will become 3/4. All the students, you also please correct if you have taken help from board. 3/4. This is 3/4. Yes. So as it is रखते हैं, बाद में simplify करता हूँ. 3/4 whole upon visible, yes, x to power 4 minus y to power 4 whole to power 1/4. तो यही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा पेशेंस रखिए, आ जाएगा ये, है ना. 3/2 इक्वल टू cx. नाउ हाँ बिल्कुल, यहाँ पे भी 3/4 आएगा. यस. अब मैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई करता हूँ. फैक्टराइज करें क्या? यस यस, पहले तो मैं ये x कैंसिल कर देता हूं दोनों साइड से, और अब मैं होल पावर 4 ले लूंगा। तो होल पावर 4 कर दिया मैंने, तो होल क्यूब बचा इक्वल टू, और ये इधर चले जाएंगे, तो x टू पावर 4 माइनस वाई टू पावर 4 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर होल क्यूब, है ना, टेकिंग whole power 4 both the sides. Now as he said that factorizable, this can be written as x square minus y square, c also was there, c also will come, into x square plus y square into x square plus y square to whole cube. So this will become, in the left side it is as it is, x square minus y square whole cube. So 1 will be cancelled and it will become x square minus y square to whole square is equal to c x square plus y square to whole power 4, है ना, 3 plus 1 4. Students अब क्या करें? What next? You check what equation you have to bring. I think there is only x square minus y square, whole square is not there. So what should I do? क्या करें? बट वो कैंसिल नहीं होगा कहीं से. I think taking square root will be enough. I think let us take square root and this will give me root c into x square plus y square to whole square. So let root c equal to c dash. So now is this the same equation? Check. This only was to be brought. Check. Is this x square minus y square equal to c into x square plus y square whole square? This only. So it is proved that you can write in words that this is a solution of the given differential equation. So what we have done, we have simply we have solved it by putting y equal to vx by homogeneous differential equation method, right? Its converse also you can do, that also is a method. From solution you begin and differentiate and bring the differential equation. That also is a way. Devashish Lakskar, will you read the next question? Devashish. Some people are passive and despite calling their name plenty of times, they don't respond. It is not good thing. Like Akriti. Akriti, now are you listening me? Can you read the next question? There is no response from Akriti's side. It is not correct. This is not the sign of a good student, right? Anyone from B section? Pratham, can you read the next question? Please. Fourth question. Fifth, I think. Tell me, what is that? Family of circles, okay. Which touches the coordinate axis, okay. So, in first quadrant, I have to write the differential equation of circles, family of circles. First step is to draw the figure. And as they say, that circles of which kind we have to draw? In first quadrant we have to draw. So that they are touching the coordinate axis. So coordinate axis means x and y axis. So draw a circle which touches both the circles, both the axes like this, somewhat like this. This is. So drop a radius, draw a radius and draw a radius. This will be center. So center coordinate, let us assume this radius is a. So what should be its center coordinates? Can you tell? A, comma A comma A. And what should be its equation of circle? Equals to A square. Bilkul. Absolutely. So this is going to be equation. So this is first task, this is second task. Now you have to make a differential equation. Yes. So now you can switch off your mic, Pratham. Yes. Now you have to make a differential equation of it. So differential equation create करने के लिए the same concept. What concept? Can someone remind me? Manisha, Monish, or Nisha? Any one of these three? Can you remind me what is the concept? Manisha, Monish, or Nisha? Manisha, Monish, or Nisha? They are not responding. It is very bad today. A section response is very poor. Lakshita, Manocha, Komal, Meena. Manisha, you are active?
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो yes no तो बोलो. हाँ मैं ये कह रहा हूँ मनीषा कि इस इक्वेशन की मुझे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बनानी है. तो डू यू रिमेम्बर द वे? Sorry. No. Lakshita, Manocha.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me the way? There is a rule to get a differential equation of this. What is the way? There are two important points. Ketan Verma. Ketan
Yes,
Verma.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is the way?
जिसमें मतलब आर्बिट्रेरी जितने वेरिएबल है ना उतने टाइम अपन को उसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है.
Arbitrary constants.
हाँ, आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट.
उतने बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है. And what is the second important point?
कि अपनी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में कोई भी आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट नहीं आना चाहिए.
नहीं आना चाहिए. तो यही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि my dear students, I am asking a question to multiple people, open to all. But there are some people, despite calling their name plenty of times, they are mum. Their mouths are shut. They are shivering. They are running away. But there are some people who are they are not doing anything extra or special. They are just doing their work sincerely and they are getting the things, each and everything. So choice in the end is always yours, my dears. Let us go ahead, differentiate it. One arbitrary constant it contains, it should be differentiated maximum one time. Final differential equation का order 1 होगा और final differential equation में एक भी arbitrary constant नहीं होगा. Differentiate कर रहा हूँ with respect to x. ये हो जाएगा 2x minus a plus 2y minus a into y differentiation will be dy upon dx minus a differentiation will be 0 equal to a square differentiation will be 0. 2 common and cancelled from both the sides. And this will give me x minus a plus y minus a into y dash equal to 0. Right? So what should I do next? Shall I get the value of a? So multiply y dash minus a y dash x minus a. So x plus y dash equals to a common 1 plus y dash. So a is equal to x plus y dash whole upon 1 plus y dash. This is. Now to eliminate a, what should we do? In today only one question we solved. What should I do? Exactly. Let it be 1. इसको मैं name दे देता हूँ. Let it be 1 and this putting this value of a in 1. And this will eliminate a completely. So I'm going to substitute this a value here. Yeah. So this is going to be x minus x plus y dash upon 1 plus y dash whole square. No, it will not come. I'm rubbing the right hand side. So this is going to be x minus x plus y dash upon 1 plus y dash whole square plus y minus x plus y dash whole upon 1 plus y dash whole square equals to a square x plus y dash upon 1 plus y dash whole square. Taking LCM, and LCM will be 1 plus y dash whole square will be cancelled throughout the denominator from every term, and in the numerator you will have x plus xy dash minus x minus y dash whole square plus here y plus y dash minus x minus y dash whole square is equal to x plus y dash whole square. Give a simplification and this will become y dash common, so x minus y whole square into y dash whole square plus here y dash cancelled, y minus x whole square equals to x plus y dash whole square. And if you want, you can take common x minus y whole square and y minus x whole square is same thing. So x minus y whole square is common in the bracket, y dash square plus 1 is equal to x plus y dash whole square. This is my final answer. All the students please check this answer and tell me is this right or they have correct है. Please check कर लीजिए, और उन्होंने ओपन किया है होल स्क्वायर तो वो भी कर सकते हैं, देख लीजिए जैसे भी है. Right? Correct. So this was question number 5th, and it was a word problem. So important, good, nice question. 6th, I don't feel it is too lengthy. Can be taken. Already we started late. So Pratibha, can you read 6th question? I'm waiting. Pratibha,
Yes,
can you read 6? Are you getting Pratibha?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, yes sir. कुछ तो गैप कहीं पे लगा मुझे. खैर, सॉल्व करती रहना. Are you solving? नोटबुक स्टेटस क्या है तुम्हारा प्रतिभा?
Sir, completed work.
हाँ हाँ, तो प्लीज साथ साथ सॉल्व करते रहना, है ना. 6th क्वेश्चन प्लीज रीड.
Find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus root of 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square equal to 0.
Equal to 0. You only suggest that how to begin, how to do. क्या किया जाए? ए साइड से आज बहुत ही खराब प्रदर्शन. इशिता भटनागर, राजवी यादव और हितेश और हेमा. Ishita, are you there? Ishita, can you tell that how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Suggest.
dy by dx is equals to minus under root 1 minus y square upon under root 1 minus x square.
Done.
Then dy upon under root 1 minus y square
Yes.
is equals to minus dx upon under root 1 minus x square.
Correct. इनके फॉर्मूला भी बता दीजिए चलते चलते.
Sir, sin inverse y
Yes.
is equals to minus sin inverse x plus c.
Correct. So here I write my final answer. Sin inverse y plus sin inverse x equal to c. Check the answer and tell students, is this right or they have applied sin
Correct.
Correct, right?
Correct, sir.
So here I conclude my today's class. Of course, plenty of more questions are remaining. That questions we'll take in next class. Please leave your doubts so that I can understand that problem I should not skip. Thank you so very much for attending this class. A and C section